Trying to capture professional level audio with your smartphone? We'll show you a sure way to get it next on HiDEF Lifestyle. Social media has become an important part of many people's lives. In fact, you're currently watching me on YouTube. Every day, more and more people are creating blogs, vlogs, and podcasts, and the easiest way for most to do so is using your cell phone. While cameras on smartphones keep getting better and better, capturing high-quality sound from your phone has been difficult, until now. The Shure MV88 Video Kit records pro-level audio from your phone. Whether you are making a quick video for TikTok or recording a podcast for thousands of followers, you want to have the best quality sound you can get. The MV88 Kit combines quality with portability, making it easier than ever to record professional quality sound wherever you may be recording from. The kit comes with everything you need for multiple recording setups. Shure's MV88 digital stereo condenser microphone is capable of recording high-resolution stereo audio from 16-bit at 44.1 kHz up to 24-bit at 48 kHz, and a windscreen is provided for outdoor recordings. Shure provides both a lightning cable for iPhones and a USB-C cable for most other smartphones. The kit also includes a phone clamp, a shoe mount mic clip, and a Manfrotto PIXI mini tripod, so you can set up almost anywhere. For added convenience, Shure also includes this handy little roll-up bag for travel and storage. The MV88 is basically plug and play, but to really maximize its potential, Shure created two apps to download. HiDEF Mobile Recording app really helps you dial in your microphone settings with ease. Once connected, you can control your metering, equalization, and compression level. You can also adjust the stereo widths depending on what your focus may be, as well as switching to multiple mono configurations. The HiDEF Video app includes all the functionality of the audio app, plus it enables users to record video with uncompressed audio and allows you to choose what format you want to record your audio on. When recording clean audio is crucial, a mic bump, strong breeze, or a failing wire can ruin an entire soundbite. With the MV88 you can monitor your audio two ways. There's a headphone jack on the rear of the mic, or you can monitor through your phone with one of the HiDEF apps. Personally, I recommend monitoring through the app. That way, if there's an issue with the wire or connection, you will know immediately, instead of finding out while you're editing that your entire podcast is scratchy. The MV88 is a great tool when you want professional sound quality from your smartphone. So much so that I'm going to record the rest of this from my personal phone. So whether you're a budding videographer or a seasoned podcaster with over 1 million followers, if sound is important to you, make sure you capture it with the MV88 Video Kit.